This is just a short presentation going through the differences between descriptive and inferential stats in data analysis. So descriptive stats and inferential stats serve different purposes in the field of data analysis, particularly in the context of musculoskeletal injury and rehabilitation. So descriptive stats' purpose is to summarize and describe the main features of a data set. It provides simple summaries about the sample and the measures. This includes measures of central tendencies, so mean, median, and mode, measures of variability, so range, variance, and standard deviation. You can also put this into graphs, so histograms, pie charts, box plots. Now, for example, if you're analysing recovery time for patients with knee injuries undergoing rehabilitation, descriptive stats will help you find the average recovery time, the shortest and longest recovery time, and the spread of the recovery time. For instance, you may find that the average recovery time is 8 weeks, with the shortest being 4 weeks and the longest being 6 weeks. Now, inferential stats is to make inferences and predictions about a population based on a sample of data. So you use the data from the sample to make generalizations about a larger population. This involves estimating population parameters, so mean, proportion, hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and confidence intervals. So for example, if you wanted to estimate the effectiveness of a new rehabilitation protocol for shoulder injuries across an entire patient population, you would use inferential stats. By analysing a sample of patients who underwent the new protocol, you could estimate the average improvement in shoulder function for all patients, along with the margin of error. For example, you may conclude that the new protocol improves shoulder function by an average of 15%, with a 95% confidence interval of 10% to 20%. Now, in summary, descriptive stats aim to describe the characteristics of a data set, such as recovery time for a specific group of patients. In contrast, inferential stats aims to draw conclusions and make predictions about a larger population based on a sample of data, such as estimating the overall effectiveness of a new rehabilitation protocol. Both types of stats are essential for understanding and improving outcomes in musculoskeletal injury and rehabilitation.